The home buying process is stacked against single parents, and most people don't realize how much harder it actually is. One income, one decision maker, one person carrying all the risk. But here's the part that nobody tells you about. It is absolutely positive to still win as a single parent. Right here in Collin County, about 18% of households with children are single parent households, which means there's thousands of families locally that are navigating life and housing decisions based on one income. And the reality is owning a home is still achievable. In fact, 70% of households here in Collin County own their own home, which tells you that even in a high growth market like North Dallas, people still find ways to buy. The system wasn't really designed with single parents in mind. But once you understand how lenders, loan programs, and qualification rules actually work, the entire game changes. So today I'm going to break down exactly what every single parent needs to know before buying a home. First, single income qualification does not mean it's a deal killer. Lenders approve single income buyers every single day. The key is knowing which loan program and underwriting guidelines work in your favor. Second, down payment assistance programs most people have never even heard about. Texas has state and local programs to help buyers get into homes with very little money down. Most single parents qualify, but they don't even realize that these programs exist. Third, government loan programs could be a huge advantage. VA, FHA, USDA, they're specifically designed to expand the access of homeownership. Lower down payments, more flexible credit options, and higher allowable debt ratios make it better on qualifying on one income. Fourth, your debt to income ratio is the real gatekeeper. Lenders look closely at how much of your monthly income goes towards debt, and understanding how that number is calculated and improving it before you apply can dramatically increase the chances of you getting approved. Fifth, child support and alimony can count as income. A lot of single parents don't realize that consistent child support and alimony payments can be counted towards your qualifying income if they're documented properly. That can significantly increase your purchasing power. And sixth, choosing the right agent matters more than ever. Single parents don't have the luxury of trial and error during the home buying process. And working with someone who understands loan programs, negotiation strategies, and financing options can save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration, in addition to time with the babysitter. Seventh, buying a home alone carries a different emotional weight. You're the only adult making the financial decisions, and the pressure just feels heavier. Having the right team around you, a knowledgeable lender, a strategic agent, and of course, good guidance makes the process dramatically easier. And finally, what you do 6 to 12 months before applying matters most, especially more than people realize. Improving your credit, reducing your debt, documenting your income sources, and understanding the loan programs ahead of time can completely change the outcome when you sit down with the lender. So if you're a single parent working towards homeownership, or if you've already done it all on your own, share your stories in the comments. Because someone out there right now probably thinks it's impossible, and they need to hear that it isn't.